Okay, let's take a look at the 7.5 centimeter anti-tank gun, PAK 40. It's a Tamiya kit. It's in 135 military scale. They say it's series number 47. So, box, different schemes you can make it in. The back here is fairly interesting. It gives you a couple different patterns to put it in, what colors, soldiers, and if you want to put it as attached to the back of the half track. So let's see what we get in the box. Okay. So, okay. Start with the instructions. We have two different instructions. That. Okay, here's one. Instructions in Japanese. And then we have one in English. And it looks pretty straightforward. Starts off with some descriptions and some information about different tanks and vehicles and how they were used. Some painting, camouflage schemes, finished product should look like. And our step-by-step build. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 steps. Pretty straightforward. Also get some light sprues. So it looks like we have three different sprues. Open. This looks like the wheels and the gun. Tamiya sprue B. And then we have sprue A, which gives us with the shells, different things. Looks very nice, looks like easy to put together. And then we have our figures put together. And it looks like an ammo box and some other accessories to go with that. So, guys actually have some really nice detail. This is actually an older kit. I'm not sure what the year is on it. It says, but it looks like it's pretty good quality. This is to go with an accessory of another of the half track. Actually, this one here, I'm going to be making to go along with it. So, hope you like this. It's actually looks like a really easy little accessory that'll make the setup look a lot nicer. And go with that. Thanks for watching.